Hey everybody, so I went to Lowe's up in Mesa off the 60 and Ellsworth, so please stick around, check out the video. It's going to be a tool haul, a small tool haul. I appreciate you guys watching. See you there. Alright everybody, so I picked this up at a different Lowe's. The Lowe's I picked it up at was the Ellsworth in the 60 in Mesa. That's the only Lowe's I've ever seen this at, so I snatched it up quick in a hurry. They only had like 3 of them. It's Kobalt 6x double drive screwdriver. It's $24.98. It's 6 times the speed of the standard double drive, which is this guy right here that I had bought in a previous video, bought an extra one. It's actually significantly bigger. Even the collet, or the collar that turns right here, is bigger. It's a good 1/4 inch bigger. It's got double screws instead of a single screw, and it is definitely faster, and it's got a 6 times little gauge, a degree gauge on here, which I thought the degree gauge was neat. This one needs a little lube. This is the best one that I found out of all of them now. Just the slight turn of the handle, it physically actually, if you look at the arrows on the collar, it actually, 1, 2, about 3 rotations for a half a turn. So it is a lot faster. Probably work better out of the package. This item number is 0607881. And the item number for the smaller 2 times model, because I have a new one sitting here from the previous video, this one is item number 0525791. That's this guy right here. And just because previous video, I also did a video on the smaller precision model, which is so quiet. The model number for this one is 1658563. So I'll put all 3 of them in frame. This video is mainly about this one, but I gave you guys a close-up of all 3 of them so you guys know what sizes and what they look like. Precision model again is 1658563. That's the 8-in-1. The 13-in-1 is 0525791. This one's a 2 times faster than a normal ratchet. This one's 2 times faster than a normal ratchet driver. And then this one is the 0607881 is the model number. This is a 32 piece, and it's 6 times faster. And if I turn the handle around, it says 6x on the handle. It comes with a little bit kit, which is nice. It says patent double drive technology, 6 times faster than standard ratcheting, patent number US 9 833883, which is this guy right here from what I looked it up. So this model is 6 times faster than the 0525791. Put the camera back on the tripod. Move these back out of frame. I absolutely love these Kobalt ratchets. I have a very old one from the previous video I had done This is a very old, beat up Kobalt ratchet as well. The cap on this one unscrews. There's no bits in here because most of them either got broken or I lost them. This one is, it still works. That direction, it's kind of sticky. The little wire clip that was in here fell out, so the bits don't retain in here very well anymore. I'm working on a fix to fix that. What I like about this one is the head pivots in a few different spots. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different positions. I've used this for probably, I think, 15 years, and I love this ratchet, and it's just nice that they came out with one that's got a really high tooth count. I also like the Husky model too. This Husky full-size driver is really nice as well. It's not a double drive, but it is nice. It's very smooth. I do like that you can just push the bits down out the bottom. Comes in handy. So I'm a very big fanatic of these ratcheting screwdrivers, especially the ones with the fine teeth. I also have a snap-on here. It's the older style snap-on. I can't remember the part number, but this one also pivots. Got a pretty fine tooth on that one as well. And I also have the little Stubby Milwaukee. The only thing I don't like about the Stubby Milwaukee is it does not have a high tooth count. It kind of sounds a lot like this 15, and this one might be older because my dad gave me this. It came with a little pouch kit with bits and everything. Yeah, to be honest, it sounds like this old Kobalt. That's, you know, could be between 15, I know it's 15 years old because I've had it for 15, but my dad gave it to me. It could be almost 20 years old for all I know. This one's a little more high pitch. This is good for tight spaces. I just don't like the gearing in it. And the switch, sometimes I bump the switch if I'm holding it like this. I sometimes accidentally switch it. But, you know, it does have a lock feature. All of these ratcheting screwdrivers have lock features. Just wanted to give you guys some little info. I don't want the video to be too long, but this is a nice kit for $24. Comes with, and the bits that are included bits included are for flat, 1/8 inch, 3/16, and 1/4 by 2 inch. Phillips is Phillips 0, Phillips 1, Phillips 2x3, and Phillips 3. Torx comes with a T10, T15, T20, T25, and T30. Allen comes with an 1/8 inch, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/4 inch Allen. Square or Robertson comes with S0, S1, S2, and S3. It does come with a couple precision bits as well. Comes with a Phillips 0, Phillips 00, and a Phillips 000 precision bit. And flathead, it comes with a 3/32, 5/16, and a 1/8. So it might be a possibility that you could also change this out and you could use the small precision bits in it, because it says it's... Oh yeah, the precision bits are on the bottom. They might be full-size 1/4 bit shank with precision heads. That's nice. That's a nice little feature. But for $24.98, which was, plus I bought a a Diet Mountain Dew for $1.98. You know, it came out to $29.03 because $2 in tax. So somewhere around the range of about $27, $28 and small change. It's a good little kit. I can't wait to get it out of the package. And I'll just do a video where I unbox them in a different video. This is just talking about them. If you guys need any more information, please let me know. I'll see what I can do. I appreciate your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!